So as you may notice, this week's video might be a little different because somebody got some turbos to install on their Mach 1. So I figured I would take you racing with me instead. So we went to the track in my 6-speed, 6-gen, hard to say, ZL1, and raced a couple of people. So let's see how it did. Hi, Bill.
Hey.
I'm about to race my twin, who's also in a white ZL1. He's got some sticky tires, but he also has a stick, so we'll see how it goes. All right, so he's gonna set the pace. He's on my left side. I just gotta match him and then kick his butt. I don't know if you've ever been there. Food's excellent. All right, we are about to race another ZL1, but he is in a 2014. He's running E85. He said with that he makes a little over 700 to the wheel, so this might be the first race I lose all season, but we'll find out. Oh, he also has sticky tires. I need to really do something about my tires in the future if I keep doing this, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. Ouch. Well, that sucked. I overread in second pretty badly because he was winning and I did not want to lose, and then my car just stopped working. All right, I'm about to race a Mach 1, but he is a stick shift. He does have a Hennessey 800 horsepower package on it, so supposedly I should lose, but we'll see what happens. All right, well, we lined up on the wrong side of each other, so he's on my right. So my GoPro can't see him, so hopefully this will be a good inner car view, because the outer car, he's probably going to be smoking me. We got a guy in a turbo Porsche. I don't know if it's a manual or a stick shift, but I will say his sticker says he has more horsepower than me, but we'll see what happens. All right, let's do this. Oh God, sir. Oh, he's going so slow. Why are you going so slow, sir? Sir, you're going too slow. I don't know if I won or lost. Oh my God, it was so close. No! All right, well, I got in the singles lane and a C8 pulled up behind me. He's gonna be fast, but we'll find out. cars ahead of me. We have the Bugatti versus the GTR. That should be a fun race. I bet you can find it on YouTube somewhere. But yeah, so I talked to the guy in the Mustang next to me. So it's a GT350. It's pretty stock. And he has a stick. So I think this is going to go badly for him. We got an automatic Jaguar F Type R. He says that he makes about 600 at the crank, but he's been getting to 116 at the end of the race, and I think I've only been getting about 100 to 110. So this might be a pretty good one. We'll see how this goes. Sucked. Alright, we're going against the same car again because I messed up. I think it's going to be a good race though. I missed the exit because they told us that one of the gates was the permanent exit, but then they closed it. So we're going again against the same guy, which, okay, so I got up to 110. He says he usually gets up to 116. So I don't know if he missed something or, you know, whatever, but we'll see. This should be a pretty good race if I cannot miss another shift. Last race. I hope the GoPro got that. It's like literally we were just like looking at each other at the end. Oh, that's so fun. All right, so we had some fun, destroyed some lives, thought things were a little faster than they actually were, and apparently talked a lot of smack. So all in all, it was a really good day. And Bill will soon be able to partake in his new Mach 1 with his dual turbo setup. Twin turbo.
So basically we figured, you know, while we're in between, you know, videos for the Mach 1, why not get some content of Kelly racing? So if you like this sort of stuff, please let us know in the comments, and certainly we can make more videos including Kelly. I know she's been in part of the videos so far, but we can start adding her in. I think a big part of this is going to be, obviously her ZL1 is much faster than the Mach 1. Once we add the twin turbos, we'll be able to turn up the boost and kind of see the point where the Mach 1 hopefully becomes quicker than the ZL1. So that's the thought, but this gives her some more seat time. And again, hopefully you guys like the content. Let us know in the comments. Thanks again for watching Truck and Roll, and we will see you next time.